Hi, my name's Ben Norman and I'm a Senior Ombudsman here at AFCA working in the superannuation space. If you're having a problem with your superannuation, you're not alone. Maybe a claim was denied, maybe a death benefit decision doesn't feel right, or maybe you are unhappy with something your superannuation fund did on your account. Whatever you're experiencing, superannuation issues can be confusing and stressful. That's where we can help. The Australian Financial Complaints Authority, or AFCA, is a free and independent service that helps resolve complaints between you and your financial firm, including superannuation issues. Our role is not to take sides, but rather to look at the facts and decide what is a fair and reasonable outcome to your complaint. To help explain how AFCA can support you with superannuation complaints, we've published a Superannuation Complaints Guide. This guide explains how AFCA handles these complaints and what you can expect if you decide to come to us. This video highlights some of the key details consumers need to know about the guide, such as the type of complaints we can help with, and how we can consider these complaints. AFCA can consider many types of superannuation complaints. This includes complaints about decisions made by superannuation funds or insurers, for example, insurance claims through superannuation, death benefit decisions, delays or mistakes, or incorrect fees and balances. Super complaints are different from other financial complaints dealt with by AFCA. There's no dollar limit on the amount involved. What matters is whether the decision was fair and reasonable. When AFCA considers a superannuation complaint, we consider the law, the rules of the super fund, and relevant material provided to AFCA. Everyone involved has a chance to provide information and decisions are made independently. If the complaint falls within our jurisdiction and can't be resolved early, we may issue a decision. A decision is a binding outcome that your financial firm has to follow. Some superannuation complaints have strict time limits and not every issue can be considered by AFCA. That's why it's important to understand your options early before too much time passes. The Superannuation Complaints Guide sets out the key time limits for superannuation complaints. The Superannuation Complaints Guide is also there to help you understand details such as whether or not AFCA can help with your issue, how decisions are made, and what information is important. You don't need to read it all at once, just the parts that relate to your situation. To learn more, visit AFCA's website to read the Superannuation Complaints Guide. You can also lodge a complaint through our website too. AFCA's service is free, independent, and here to help.